Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Dambulkar. In this video, we'll see how to use packages in Java. Packages in Java are just similar to header files in C++ language. For example, suppose this is a Java file where we have written main method and we have to use add method or function from this file and subtraction function from this file. So we will write add function in this file, subtraction function in this file, and we will access or we will use or we will call these functions from main method from this file. So here in add.java file, we have created one class add, and in that class we have created method add. So this method is used to add two variables or two numbers. Similarly, we have created another Java file sub.java. There we have created class sub, and in that we have created method sub, which is subtracting another variable from the first variable. Now we will access these two methods add and sub in sample.java. So here, as we have included those methods in some classes, so we have to create object for those classes, and by using those objects we can call those methods. So for add class we have created one object A, for sub class we have created object B. So we are calling add method by using object A and sub method by using object B. Now we will execute this program. So first we have compiled add.java, then we have compiled sub.java. So when we compile add.java by using javac, we got add.class file. When we compile sub.java, so we got sub.class file, and after that we have compiled sample.java and we are running it by using Java. So we got the output. In this example, nowhere we have used the word package, and it is not required because all these files are present in same folder. Now we will create one folder and we will give some name to that folder. Suppose we are giving my package name to this folder, and we'll copy these two files add.java. We'll move these two files to this folder, and sub.java. We'll move this to this folder, and we will delete this add.class. So we'll delete. In the same way, we will delete sub.class file. So we have moved add.java and sub.java in this folder my package. We will compile these two files add.java and sub.java. So after compilation, it will create class file for add and class file for sub. Now we will access these class files or functions in these files in sample.java. Now to access these two functions which are present in this folder, so we have added one sentence in sample.java. So we are importing this folder. So package is nothing but a folder only. So we are importing this package, means this folder, and dot star or asterisk means all the classes present in this folder are package. Now we are compiling sample.java. So we got error that there is a bad class file, as we have to change access specifier. We have to mention this class as public. So here we have to make this add class public, as we are accessing this class outside the folder or outside this package. In the same way, we have to make this subclass public. Now again we have to compile these two classes. So we have compiled these two files add.java and sub.java. So respectively we will get add.class file and sub.class file. After that we have compiled sample.java, so we didn't get any error. So now we will run this file. So we got the output. So in this way we can access packages in Java file. So basically packages are nothing but a folder. So when you add that files in that folder, in the sense we are adding those files in that package. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.